Happy good morning! Good morning! Hey Sunny, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy bottle cap flag with the help of a cracker box, a paper bag, some bottle caps, and paint in red, white, and blue colors. Let's begin by opening and unfolding our cardboard box. Gently pull apart the box at the seams until you can lay it out flat. Next, you'll either need a lunch sack or a grocery bag. Let's cut it and also lay it out flat. To secure the paper bag to the box, use a glue stick on all of the outer surfaces. Trim around the flaps until your cardboard box is fully cut out. Next, we'll recrease all of our existing box lines, being sure to press firmly on each fold. Fold the box edges back together. Oh wait, I have to recrease the end flaps too. Remember to firmly press down on each fold. Now we'll glue the box seams back together. I recommend using a glue gun to help better secure the box flaps for a better hold. Time to take out our bottle caps and some acrylic paint in patriotic colors. For the best results, paint several very thin layers onto each bottle cap, ensuring that you get into each of the tiny grooves. Once all of the bottle caps have been painted, we'll need some teeny tiny cardboard cutouts. Depending on the thickness of your cardboard, you'll need to cut out several squares for each cap. Again, I like to use a glue gun for an extra strong hold. Be sure to press firmly between each cardboard layer. Once your cardboard layers are level with your cap, we can begin putting our flag together. Let's use hot glue to secure the bottle caps onto our cardboard box. Lastly, we'll need to add some stars to the blue bottle caps, and if you haven't watched these videos yet, be sure to check them out to learn how to quickly and easily cut out and draw the perfect star shape. We'll cut out 5 stars and secure them with hot glue. This project is beginner friendly and easy to make for all ages. And there you go, an easy bottle cap flag craft perfect for the 4th of July. We have even more patriotic crafts on our channel and in our 4th of July crafts playlist. You can check them out here. We wish you a happy 4th of July. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting!
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.